Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sujay SV. I'm studying in the college Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the branch Artificial Intelligence. Uh, we are going to discuss about the subject Introduction to Civil Engineering called topic. Look at the center of the given shaded region. Here is the problem where this is the given figure. This is the given figure where we have a shaded region. We have a shaded region, and this whole shaded region is divided into four parts, where the first will be the triangle, second will be the semicircle, third will be the rectangle, and fourth will be the circle. Now let's discuss about the first diagram. In the first diagram, the distance of the triangle height base from the x line is 100 millimeter, and the base of the triangle is 60, and the height of the triangle is 120. Well, coming to the second component, semicircle, the total diameter will be 100, and the distance of the semicircle from the x-axis will be 120. And coming to the third component, in the second component we know the diameter will be 100, so radius will be diameter by 2. So radius will be diameter by 2, so we get 100 by 2, that will be 50. So radius will be 50. So we'll coming to the third component, it is rectangle. So breadth of the rectangle is 120, and height of the rectangle or length of the rectangle will be 100. Well, coming to the fourth component, circle, which is located at the center of the diagram. Yeah, well, coming to the fourth component, the radius of the circle will be 20, and the distance of the centroid of the circle from the x-axis is 50, and the distance of the centroid from y-axis will be 60. Let's see about the calculation. Now, as we have discussed, the whole shaded region is divided into four parts, which is triangle, semicircle, rectangle, and a circle. So we are going to discuss about the areas of them, and centroidal distance from x-axis about y, and the moment of area, and also centroidal distance from y-axis, which is x, and moment of area of y-axis, which is ax. Well, coming to the triangle, we know uh, the formula for area of triangle will be half into base into height, right? Here, as we know, in the previous diagram, the base, the breadth will be 60, and the height will be 120 of the triangle, right? Yeah, so as we have discussed here, breadth will be 60 and height will be 120, so half into base into height, so the total answer will be 3600. Well, coming to the centroidal distance from x-axis, which is the y value, Here from x-axis the distance will be 100 and the centroid will be located at here. So distance from there, it will be it will be 100 plus h by 3. So 100 plus, as we know, her height will be 60 by 3. So the total value will be 120. And to calculate the moment of area, we have to multiply the centroidal distance and the area. We get moment of area, and the same procedure goes to y axis, which is x. Yes, distance from y axis will be h by 3, which is 120 by 3. Here h is 120. Why? Because see here, see, as we seen here, height will be 120. So h by 3, which is 120 by 3, that is 40. So centroidal distance will be 40. The 40 multiplied with 3600 gives you the moment of area about y-axis, which is ax. Same procedure goes to semicircle. Here the formula for area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2, right? So r will be 50. So the final answer will be 3926.99. And in the centroidal distance from x-axis for a semicircle will be its radius itself. So the r will be 50. Then so multiplying the r and this area gives us the moment of area, which is 19634.9.5. Yeah. Coming to the centroidal distance from y-axis, that will be for semicircle, right? For semicircle, for y-axis, here we can see it is 120. And this part, that part, we have a formula called 4r by 3 pi. So this will be 120 plus centroidal distance from y-axis for a semicircle. So yeah, here we can see 120 plus 4r by 3 pi, where the value will be 141.22. This value multiplied with the area gives us the moment of area about y-axis, which is ax 554572.11. Yeah, well, coming to the next component, rectangle. The area for a rectangle will be length into breadth, that is 100 into 120. So the final answer will be length will be 100 and breadth will be 120. So the final answer will 12,000. And the centroidal distance from x-axis about y for a rectangle, that is none other than uh, length by 2, that is 100 divided by 2, that will be 50. This is where the 50 we have got. This is the 50, right? And yeah, as we know, we got 50, then multiplied with 12000 gives the moment of area about x-axis for the rectangle, which is 6 lakh, which is 6 lakh. Yeah, well, coming to the centroidal distance for the rectangle from the y-axis, as we know, it is another than breadth. As we know, it is 120. So 120 divided by 2 gives us 60. So this 60 is the breadth divided by 2. So as we got the centroidal distance from y-axis, this 60 should be multiplied with the area 12,000. So the final answer will be 7 here you can see 7 zeros. Yeah. Now while coming to the fourth component, which is circle, the area of the circle will be pi r square by 2. So here r will be 20. So pi into 20 whole square, we get the value minus 1256.63. You can ask why we have put the negative sign for this value. It's because in this diagram we are adding these three values and separating this circle to get the centroidal distance for the shaded region. So for that we have to add this triangle, rectangle and the semicircle should be separated with the circle, right? Yeah, let's go back. In the third component, the area of the circle will be uh, 12 1256.63 1256.63. And in the centroidal distance from x-axis will be its r, which is 50. Will be its r, which is 50. This is that 50, and multiplying this 50 into 1256.63 gives us the moment of area about x-axis, which is ay, which is minus 62831.85. Right. Now while coming to the centroidal distance from y-axis, which is x, that will be 60. So the 60 multiplied by 1256.63, which is area, we get the value 753978. So we have to add all this value, add these three values, triangle, semicircle and rectangle, and should be subtracted with the circle. So for that, the summation of area, adding these three values and subtracting with these, we get the value 18270.36. And summation of moment of area about x-axis, which is ay, we get 1165517.65. And summation of moment of area about y-axis, which is ax, we get 1343174.3. Here we have got the summation of area, summation of ay, summation of ax. So we can move on to find the x bar and y bar. To find the x bar and y bar, we have got the formula. For x bar we have formula uh, summation of ax divided by summation of a, which is summation of ax divided by summation of a. So the value will be 73.57. And for y bar we have to divide ay, which is 1165517.65, divided by 18270.38, which is summation of a area. We get the final value 63.79. That's the values of x bar and y bar. And this centroid is present at the x distance of 73.51 and y distance of 63.7879 for the given shaded region. Yeah, thank you. That's it for today.